we've all driven by yard sales without giving them a second look, but a yard sale by Oprah Winfrey, that would be a different story.
Yeah, I'd have to believe it's a massive yard sale. We're talking loads of stuff from furniture to fine art, hundreds of items that can be yours.
You can get that picture of Oprah, too. Put that right up in the living room.
You can't get Rena Niven. She's not for sale.
No,
but she does have the story around it.
I do have the story, and I do have a pair of crystal lamps from Oprah that will look fabulous in your office.
Oh, wow.
Dan, you have too many lamps in your office. So a turgid Bakhtiar rug for you.
Really?
Will look gorgeous.
All
and
right.
before anybody thinks that Oprah has fallen on hard times and is selling her things, it's, in typical Oprah fashion, all for a wonderful cause.
Oprah fans are revved up and ready to get their hands on Oprah's favorite things. Nope, not cars. You get her painting, you get her pillows, you get her mirror. For months, whispers have been going around that Oprah's prized possessions would soon be on sale. And now the official list is out. From fancy antiques estimated as high as $50,000 to chairs as low as $100. Oprah reportedly making sure to keep the prices low so all her fans can have a seat.
Oprah is consigning lower-end items because she wants to be able to get everybody involved. She has such a stay-at-home mom kind of viewership, people that don't necessarily have money to be able to afford the cabinets that are $20,000 to $40,000 to $50,000.
Star power can bump up the price. In 2011, Michael Jackson's rug, which was estimated around $500, was sold for $15,360 during an auction for the King of Pop's belongings. Now, a bold checkered green couch may not match the typical living room, but with Oprah's name behind it, it could go for thousands.
On any given day, it would probably sell for $300, $400, $500. But because it's been in Oprah's house, I'm willing to venture that that couch will bring $1,000, $2,000, maybe even a little bit more.
Not only is Oprah giving her fans a chance to own some of their dream items, but she's also raising money for the Oprah Winfrey Leadership Academy Foundation College Fund, which helps girls in Africa attend college.
And the auction will be November 2nd. You can see some of the items now. And Oprah says a lot of the stuff wasn't reflective of her true self. But I am telling you, Dan, Oprah's Persian Bakhtiari rug is you.
Yes.
Beautiful.
It is you.
There are very few things that reflect my true self, and that is one of them.
What is your true self? We still haven't figured that out.
Coming up here on GMA.